With all its natural resources and properties, Earth is completely suitable for human beings. Due to the relationship of adaptation between all organisms, it has blessed us with long life, which is why average life of any human has been 100 to 125 years. But in the period of modernity, harmony is disturbed. Average life of any human has gone down to 50 to 60 years. Our ancestors used to live for very long period of time because they had eaten organic food grown in very fertile soil filled vitamins and minerals. They usually used to eat fruits and vegetables which gave them very good health. Today's lifestyle is getting even worse due to wrong eating habits. Heart diseases, diabetes, obesity and some types of cancer diseases are caused due to wrong eating habits and lifestyle. Scientists have found that most diseases nowadays could be treated with the help of right type of nutrition. For example, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E and beta-carotene not only saves you from cancer but also vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin C and E helps to fight several heart diseases. For this we have to make tremendous changes in our eating habits and lifestyle. We find it difficult to get all nutrients from one food source, but all this is possible with the help of NIRAMRIT Foods seabuckthorn juices. Seabuckthorn is a type of berry that has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. It is rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and fatty acids that offer several health benefits. Here are some of the health benefits of seabuckthorn. Boosts immunity. Seabuckthorn is a rich source of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and protect your body against infections and diseases. Promotes heart health. Seabuckthorn contains flavonoids and fatty acids that can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and improve heart health. Improves digestion. The high fiber content in seabuckthorn helps promote healthy digestion and prevent constipation. Supports skin health. Seabuckthorn oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamin E, which can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals and improve skin elasticity. Reduces inflammation. Seabuckthorn contains several compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Regulates blood sugar. The antioxidants and flavonoids in seabuckthorn can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a good choice for people with diabetes. Protects against cancer. The antioxidants in seabuckthorn can help prevent damage to cells and DNA, reducing the risk of cancer. Reduces wrinkles and improves skin health. Seabuckthorn oil contains high levels of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help protect the skin from damage and promote skin regeneration. It helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, age spots, and other signs of aging. Boosts brain function. The high levels of antioxidants and fatty acids in seabuckthorn can help improve brain function and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Relieves symptoms of menopause. The vitamin E and omega-7 fatty acids found in seabuckthorn can help reduce symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and mood swings. Improves liver function. Seabuckthorn has been shown to improve liver function by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. This can help protect against liver damage caused by alcohol consumption, medication, or exposure to toxins. Boosts exercise performance. The antioxidants and fatty acids found in seabuckthorn can help improve exercise performance and reduce muscle damage caused by strenuous exercise. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization of India, has been researching on seabuckthorn for many years. Seabuckthorn is also part of the main diet of soldiers of the Indian Army who are in high altitudes. There are now more than 120 scientific research studies on seabuckthorn for its number of health benefits. NIRAMRIT Foods Pvt Limited was launched by a team of committed individuals with a vision of it's better to spend on health rather than on diseases. If you want to buy any products of seabuckthorn, contact to Naveen Purohit and visit our website niramritfoods.com.